monitoring of railway infrastructure. So without disclosing a particular name of the company, we will talk about one use case that is known to us, where Zabbix is deployed as the monitoring solution in one of Europe's largest railway networks. It's used across multiple internal company departments for monitoring a variety of things, not just railway infrastructure, but also OS level metrics in data centers, service and application states, and availability of some of the components of the railway infrastructure, which is once again a lot more simple to monitor than it may sound like. So first off, Zabbix agents are deployed on railway station screens and broadcasting systems. This is monitored by Zabbix agents, like I said, and it can be done so because under the hood, these pieces of hardware, they run Debian OS, and therefore they can be monitored on the OS level by Zabbix agents, and agents do this very nicely right out of the box with our official templates. So quite simple, can be very easily automated together with low-level discovery, if need be auto registration or network discovery even. This can be deployed in an automated fashion. In addition, of course, we can perform simple pings, ping our devices from Zabbix proxies or Zabbix servers to check if they are available. And if they're not available, we send a notification and an engineer reacts to this and either restores the network connectivity or replaces the hardware. In this same use case, Zabbix also retrieves and monitors data from ActiveMQ. And this is where a combination of custom bash scripts and Zabbix sender is used. So the required data, also related to the railway infrastructure and data center hardware and software, is retrieved from ActiveMQ via bash script, then forwarded to Zabbix sender via a wrapper script, and then sent to the Zabbix server or proxy, and then stored in Zabbix and analyzed and reacted upon if required. And also in this here use case, Zabbix is integrated with a third-party ticketing system. So Zabbix generates a problem. Zabbix API is then used to retrieve the problems related to a particular set of triggers, problems that need to be forwarded to this third-party system. And via API, these alerts are then forwarded. And we have a variety of integrations right out of the box using webhooks. Here I've mentioned Slack, Jira, Microsoft Teams. So not just ticketing systems, also messengers can be used with Zabbix. But in this scenario, they've opted in to use Zabbix API because maybe it's a custom ticketing solution, but it's completely up to you. Are you going to use Zabbix API or are you going to use webhooks or maybe a combination of both? That's completely up to you. This is where the flexibility of the tool comes in.